We have been together through thick and thin, from the days when we had to count pennies to the time we took 3 holidays in a year. We're a youngish couple,
at least in our minds,
who consider ourselves citizens of the world.
We love to travel, meet the friendly locals, experience their rich cultures, and taste their authentic cuisines.
We like to share it all with you, various anecdotes from our adventures,
and not so mundane tidbits from our daily life.
Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss the future videos.
Join two ordinary people on an extraordinary journey.
See ya!